Welcome day 1762 of What You Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with a cool angel halo on today. I thought that was kind of appropriate for our topic. Today, my question for you is, are you a genius or an infinite being? Now, what does our mind do as soon as we're asked an or question? We believe that we have to pick between one or the other. You might say, I'm not a genius or an infinite being based on your beliefs and thoughts and feelings on both definitions and topics. Again, you get to define what those are. Well, our topic for this year's annual challenge, the BU 365-day challenge, to do one thing every day that improves us, was infinite being. Are you an infinite being? Do you believe in that infinite beings exist, etc.? We talked about it a little bit. And I can tell it was a topic I was a little nervous to talk about because all of us have strong feelings about things like God, source energy, the universe, what's possible, what happens in this lifetime, what our purpose is, what happens after we die, because we know that this life is finite, right? We're born, and we know we're all going to die. So this body, this shell we're walking around in, this physical being isn't going to exist forever. But what do you believe? Do you believe there's a component of us as human beings that continues to move on and have different experiences, have different journeys, right? Who knows? But I have my beliefs, you have your beliefs, and so that was our topic today for not Supersize Your Business, for the annual challenge. So for Supersize Your Business, I found an idiom I really haven't explored before, and it is genius is an infinite capacity for taking pains, meaning what appears as an exceptional intellectual or creative capacity is actually great ability to really exert, put in effort, keep moving, and pay attention to detail, right? Think of Thomas Edison or Einstein or Steve Jobs or whoever you find that you think is a genius, and explore, what did they do? What did they think? What did they believe? How did they behave? And you'll notice they all had incredible focus and vision and the ability to stick to the thing that they were studying or looking to create in order to make sure that what they were wanting to create became a reality, or what they were talking about became something that other people could learn from. Now, let's be honest, the vast majority of humans, me included sometimes, do not have the ability to focus on one thing long enough to ever master it, much less become known as a genius in that area. But I compared this to growing and building and scaling and supersizing our business. If we commit to it, in order to do that and successfully pull that off, we actually have to have a huge capacity for taking pains, meaning being able to put up with challenges that come our way, things that don't work out, solving problems, right? The more solution focused you are as a business owner, a person, a human being, or an entrepreneur, the more pains or inconvenience or discomfort or uncertainty you can accept, the more risks you can accept, which are pains, discomfort, uncertainty to most people, the more you're seen by the world as a genius. So those were our topics today. Are you an infinite being? Do you believe that you're an infinite being? I don't think I personally am an infinite being. I think my human life right now here is finite, meaning it's got a beginning, it's got an end. But I do ascribe to the thoughts and theories that we are all part, and a part of us, meaning not our bodies, but there's a component of us, a level of consciousness in our soul and our spirit, whatever you want to call it, that moves on and continues on after this finite life experience we're having now. Why do I believe that? I believe that based on a personal experience that I've had, a death experience that I've had. And so I choose to believe that. Guess what? We all get to choose to believe whatever we want. But I ask this as an or question on purpose because I realize how often people ask us, is it this or that? Are you this or that? And the truth is, there's infinite possibilities, because there's always lots of different possibilities of what we are or how we see ourselves and how we identify. So it's a reminder to me to not get into that this or that trap, because it is a trap that many of us fall into. Either you're for this or you're against it. Really? No, maybe I'm for part of this, but I totally am against another part of it. We're complex humans, and that's what makes life interesting. If I can help you in any way, hit me up. Traveling for a while, but I will still be working on the road. If I can help you, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. Have an amazing day.